Welcome back to another Tinkercad project. In this video, we'll be making a piezo speaker circuit that has 5 music and can be controlled by the user using the push buttons. Here we have 5 push buttons that are programmed to play a specific sequence of musics. And as you could see, we connected the push button terminals to our power line and we added resistors to regulate the voltage. Same with our piezo speaker, we added resistors so that we won't damage or burn the speaker. Now let's proceed to our codes. In our codes, we define all the notes that we'll be needing later on so that we could play a specific song for our device. And here we also declare the variables for our button and with their specific pins so that we could be able to use them later in our programming. And there are a lot of more complex codes online that we could copy in order to play a specific melody. These are the melodies that we'll be needing later on. So these are just sequences of notes that will be played when we call the functions. Here we have the function for the Pac-Man song or music. So we have a lot of codes online available that we could copy and of course modify it to work with our codes. We have the Nokia, the Pink Panther, the Keyboard Cat, and the Imperial March. So this is where I copied the codes from Robson Coutu on GitHub. There are a lot of different songs here available that we could copy and paste to our program. Now in our loop, we use the if statement to switch between the songs using the push buttons. As you can see, when we press the button number 1, Nokia will be played, number 2, Pac-Man, number 3, Pink Panther, number 4, Keyboard Cat, and number 5, Imperial March. So each button has a specific song or sequence that will be played once pressed. Now let's proceed to simulation. So when we press the first button, it plays the Nokia sound. Button number 2. Next. So these are just the very simple songs that we could copy and play here on Tinkercad. So if you want to play some complex songs, there are a lot available on GitHub and other sources. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future projects on Tinkercad. Thank you.